How to make money in the metaverse today. The metaverse is building itself up. The future in which we'll have the metaverse will be pretty exciting. Still, we can't just go into this computerized universe unprepared, which is why the metaverse is already asking us to interact with it. How can we do that since the entire universe is digital? That is a question worth answering, but it has an answer right in front of all of us this time. There are multiple ways to make money in the metaverse, and before you head into it, here are some projects with which you can start making money today. Buy and sell real estate. Purchasing virtual land and later reselling it for a profit is the most typical way to make money in the metaverse. Imagine investing in real estate in a thriving neighborhood and then watching the community grow before selling your land for a profit. Since you have no clue how much people will pay for your land in the future, this strategy is not particularly simple. However, if you conduct a thorough study, you may be able to forecast the expansion of particular metaverse regions and make a respectable return on your investment. Play-to-earn games. The play-to-earn P2E business model is new in the gaming industry. It is made to reward players who contribute in various ways to the ecosystem or universe of the game. P2E is primarily based on the freemium model, in which the user can pay to add more features, content, or gear, or to go through the game more rapidly after signing up. Why not make money doing what you already love doing if you enjoy playing video games? One of the most well-liked methods to earn money in the metaverse is to play-to-earn games. This kind of gaming transforms traditional gaming by allowing users to earn Bitcoin while they're playing. There are many entertaining play-to-earn games available in this virtual world. From original word searches and puzzle games to competitive chess tournaments, there's something for everyone. An example is Axie Infinity, which launched during the pandemic's peak and performed well. It's one of the best metaverse crypto coins for play-to-earn gaming. For those oblivious to gaming coins, these games allow users to generate rewards for themselves when specific tasks or milestones are completed in the game. Users can better understand and interact with the Axie Infinity ecosystem. Online store. Creating an online store is among the best ways to earn money in the metaverse. Many metaverse platforms have additional features and capabilities that let users buy and sell virtual goods. Users may set up their online shops for things they would purchase in real life and stock them with any goods they like. Some people focus on unique items like furniture or clothing, while others specialize in clothing or accessories. Whatever you decide to sell, there's always a market in the metaverse for it. Additionally, you may purchase goods from other stores and then sell them for a profit by raising the price. NFTs. The non-fungible token or NFT market is at an all-time high right now. So if you're interested in creating NFTs, then now is the time to do this. The best part about NFTs is that you can create them for anything, be it a picture, a painting, a song, or even an animation. Creating NFTs is an excellent way to make money in the metaverse because it will allow you to make money and showcase your unique token. You have the option to allow others to profit from your labor when you sell NFTs. Allowing people to steal your design is known as minting. If you let someone else replicate it, you may receive a share of the sales each time someone purchases your NFT. E-commerce business. You may sell your goods or services directly to other metaverse citizens by using an e-commerce website. An e-commerce site's key benefit is that it gives you complete control over your online business and a variety of possibilities. You may decide how and where to advertise your goods, what prices to charge, and the level of customer care you wish to provide. Since your business is going to be completely digital, then you will manage to save costs on product storage, logistics, and deliveries. Metaverse architecture. As a metaverse architect and designer, future virtual worlds will be created, constructed, and maintained by you. Designers may make new virtual worlds, and these worlds can be profitable. Learning how to create and develop virtual environments is the first step. After that, you may work for other individuals in the metaverse who will pay you to create structures, 3D models, and other tasks. You can utilize a ton of tools to improve your job, and while doing it, you can even create structures that you can keep for yourself. Tourism services. There are 3 categories of travel and tourism: domestic, inbound, and outward. It might be a day excursion from home to a local tourist destination or an outward journey. moving from one city to another, domestic. In contrast, inbound visitors go from another nation to visit or remain for some time. The Metaverse allows users to book hotels, vacation locations, and other tourism-related services. You may make money by serving as a middleman between hotels and travel firms. In the Metaverse, you can open a travel agency and market your services to travelers. Product testing. Many websites will pay you to evaluate their goods. You can determine anything from the comfort of your home, from websites to mobile applications. Furthermore, there's a strong need for testers who can assist find flaws as more items enter the Metaverse. For instance, before presenting their items to the public, clothing companies always employ testers to evaluate them. You will thus always get paid for your work as a tester. Additionally, you have the power to inform the product's developer of your thoughts to improve it. The Metaverse will be very exciting regarding the technology that will be applied to it. Thankfully, using these ways, you can be sure that you'll make a good amount of money before everyone else begins to jump on that bandwagon.